Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to cocktails, history, recipes and tips. Cocktails are much more than drinks. They are experiences that embody creativity, celebration and history. From their humble beginnings in early taverns to their present-day status in high-end bars, cocktails have evolved into a global symbol of social gatherings. Whether you enjoy a classic or an innovative concoction, cocktails have the ability to bring people together and turn an ordinary night into something truly memorable. At its core, a cocktail is a mixed drink that combines at least two ingredients, typically a base spirit like vodka, gin, or rum, paired with mixes such as juices, soda, or bitters. The term cocktail first appeared in the early 19th century in the United States. Originally, it referred to a drink made with spirits, sugar, water, and bitters, a simple recipe we now recognize as an old-fashioned. The popularity of cocktails soared during the Prohibition era of the 1920s when alcohol was poorly made or hidden, and mixers were added to mask imperfections. After Prohibition, cocktails became a symbol of sophistication, especially during the mid-20th century, and continue to evolve today, blending traditional techniques with modern innovation. The key to any great cocktail is balance. This is achieved through the combination of three essential elements: spirits, mixers, and garnishes. The spirit is the base, whether it's vodka, gin, or whiskey. Mixers, such as juices, sodas, and bitters, dilute the spirit while adding complexity, enhancing the drink's flavor profile. Garnishes, while often used for decoration, also serve to elevate the drink's aroma and flavor. A twist of citrus or a sprig of mint can transform a simple drink into something extraordinary. Cocktails come in a wide variety, each catering to different tastes and occasions. Classic cocktails like the Martini, Old-Fashioned, and Margarita have stood the test of time. These drinks offer simplicity and elegance, with recipes that are still revered and adapted by bartenders today. Tropical cocktails like pina coladas, mai tais, and daiquiris evoke images of sun-soaked beaches, offering refreshing and fruity flavors perfect for a summer day. Meanwhile, modern craft cocktails have taken the drink scene to new heights, with bartenders using fresh ingredients, unique flavors, and innovative techniques to create drinks that are truly one of a kind. Making a great cocktail is both an art and a science. The right tools are essential to making drinks that are both beautiful and balanced. A cocktail shaker is a must for mixing drinks that need to be chilled quickly, while a strainer ensures that no ice or pulp makes its way into the glass. Accurate measurements are key, and a jigger helps achieve that precision. Stirring and muddling tools allow you to manipulate the ingredients and extract the best flavors. Lastly, a citrus juicer will make a significant difference in taste, ensuring that only the freshest juice is used in your cocktails. When it comes to mixing, understanding the basic techniques will help elevate your drink-making skills. Start by choosing a simple recipe you enjoy. Measure your ingredients carefully and prepare your glass in advance. Depending on the drink, you may need to shake, stir, or build the cocktail directly in the glass. Taste and adjust as needed before serving, and don't forget a garnish. It's the finishing touch that makes a difference. Even with the best tools and techniques, common mistakes can still arise. Using pre-made mixes instead of fresh ingredients can lead to artificial tasting drinks. Overshaking or overstirring can dilute the cocktail and ruin its flavor balance. The type of ice used is also important. Small ice cubes melt too quickly, watering down the drink, while larger cubes or clear ice melt slower, keeping the drink cold without compromising the flavor. Misjudging measurements is another pitfall, so stick to the recipe until you feel comfortable experimenting. And remember, garnishes aren't just for decoration. They enhance the aroma and flavor of the drink. Finally, always taste your cocktail before serving to ensure it's perfectly balanced. Ultimately, cocktails are about more than just mixing ingredients. They're about creating an experience, and each cocktail you make is a chance to experiment, learn, and refine your skills. So, whether you're crafting a classic or inventing something new, the world of cocktails offers endless opportunities to explore and enjoy. Cheers! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.